Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start now by powering the laptop and placing it on a flat surface. This saves time and prevents damage. First, flip the device and scan the bottom, battery bay, and rear ports for printed service tag. Manufacturers often place it where technicians look. Once done, make sure you note exact characters. Case and dashes matter. If you don't find a label, proceed directly to software checks like BIOS or system information. They often mirror the printed tag and give the same authoritative ID. Once you've turned to software, reboot and press the BIOS key. F2, Dell, or ESC vary by brand, so try one if unsure. In BIOS/UEFI look for system information. Manufacturers list the service tag alongside serial number there. If you're in Windows, run msinfo32 or PowerShell with getWMI object win32 BIOS to extract the identifier. This gives the same authoritative value. On Mac or Linux, use System Report or dmdecode. These tools reveal the tag when a physical sticker is missing or now finalize by copying the service tag exactly into your notes and support forms. Photographs help preserve readability, and they speed up warranty checks. Then verify the tag on the manufacturer's support tool or warranty checker to confirm model and warranty status. If the tag is missing or BIOS shows blank, try reseating the internal battery or clear CMOS as a last resort, because firmware corruption can hide identifiers. If that fails, use manufacturer diagnostics or contact support with purchase proof to retrieve the correct service tag.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.